Hello, everyone. This is Amir Abbas, and today we're going to talk about an important topic, which is the compound vectors in the series of these sessions. And first of all, what is compound vector? In R, compound vectors allow for the storage of elements with different data types. Unlike atomic vectors, which contain elements of the same data type, compound vectors, specifically which are named lists, are flexible enough to store data of varying types in a single object. This feature makes them highly versatile for complex data manipulation tasks. These lists are the most common compound vectors in R. A list can hold any data type, including other lists, functions, and even data frames. Lists can also hold named elements, making them highly adaptable for complex data storage. And these are the characteristics of list. They are ordered. The position of elements in a list matters. They're heterogeneous. Elements in a list can be of different types, and they're flexible. You can modify, add, or remove elements dynamically within a list. So the definition of a list is a list in R is a compound vector that can store different data types. Lists are essential for tasks that require the combination of diverse data types in a single object, such as model outputs or complex data structures. So this piece of code is doing what it's doing. It's creating a list with a function which is list. And if you can see, the function over here is list, and it has different data types. For example, you have the logical data, you have the integer data, you have the double data, you have complex value, you have a character value, you have the raw data type, and you have the date, you have factor, and you have a list within the list as well. When I run this, it's going to create a list, and when I print it, it's going to print all of the individual elements of the list, which I told you are the different types of data. There are different data types, and you can see that they're apart from other data types, which are logical value, integer value. These are even some other lists which are present within the list as well. Now, one important aspect is how would you access the individual values from the list? For example, within the list, you can use this dollar operator and pull it any value. For example, if I just if you remember, I saved this list to an object named as my list, and when I am accessing my different elements of my list, I have to put in dollar, and different elements of the my list as putting are coming, and I can print pretty much any element of it, and it's currently I'm printing out the complex number. Is going to print in the complex number. You can also print the element by indexing, which pretty much is that it which number that element is there, and it will be printed, and you can pretty much use the exact name of that element within the list, and it will print it for you. So this is all for this short video. We'll see you in the next video.